Used Toyota Prius overpriced. Used Camry Hybrid prices. Used RAV4 Hybrid cost. If you have shopped for a used Toyota Hybrid lately, you know the prices are insane. Why are used Toyotas so expensive? Toyota tax. Toyota markup. A 10-year-old Prius with 150,000 miles still sells for $12,000 or more. A 5-year-old RAV4 Hybrid costs almost as much as it did new. A used Camry Hybrid barely depreciates at all. Toyota reliability is real. Toyota Hybrid longevity is proven, but at some point, you're paying so much extra for the Toyota badge that it stops making financial sense. So if you want a reliable used hybrid but you do not want to overpay for a Toyota, what are your alternatives? Underrated hybrids, best used hybrid cars, cheap reliable hybrids. Today we are going to talk about why used Toyotas are overpriced, and then I'm going to give you 5 sleeper hybrids that offer better value. These are cars with proven reliability, lower prices, and features that sometimes beat the Toyota equivalent. Best hybrid alternatives to Toyota. If you want car advice that helps you save money without sacrificing reliability, hit subscribe right now. And if you know someone shopping for a used hybrid who is tired of Toyota prices, share this video with them. First, let's talk about why used Toyotas are so expensive. Why do Toyotas hold value? Toyota resale value explained. Toyota has earned a reputation for reliability over decades. That reputation is deserved. Toyota hybrids, especially the Prius and Camry Hybrid, have proven they can go 200,000 miles or more with minimal issues. The eCVT transmission almost never fails. The hybrid batteries last longer than most people expected. Maintenance costs are low. People trust Toyotas, and that trust creates demand. High demand plus limited supply equals high prices. Toyota Prius demand. Used hybrid market. The problem is, the Toyota tax has gotten out of control. A used Prius with high mileage often costs more than other hybrids with half the miles. A RAV4 Hybrid holds its value so well that buying used barely saves you any money compared to buying new. You are not just paying for the car, you're paying for the brand, the reputation, and the peace of mind. And sometimes you're overpaying. Use Toyota Premium. Here's the truth. Toyota makes great hybrids, but they're not the only company that makes reliable hybrids. Other manufacturers have built hybrid systems that are also durable, efficient, and well-engineered. They just don't have the same reputation, so their resale values are lower. That creates opportunity. If you're willing to look past the Toyota badge, you can find used hybrids that are just as reliable, sometimes more comfortable, sometimes better equipped, and significantly cheaper. Best non-Toyota hybrids. Let's talk about 5 sleeper hybrids that offer better value than used Toyotas. Number 1. Lexus hybrids. Lexus hybrid reliability. Lexus ES Hybrid, Lexus RX Hybrid, used Lexus hybrid value. Wait, Lexus is Toyota. Yes, but here's the key. Lexus hybrids use the same proven hybrid system as Toyota. Same eCVT transmission, same battery technology, same engineering. In many cases, the exact same powertrain. But Lexus models depreciate faster than Toyotas because luxury cars always lose value quicker. That means you can often buy a used Lexus hybrid for less than a comparable used Toyota, even though the Lexus is more luxurious, quieter, and better equipped. A used Lexus ES Hybrid gives you the same bulletproof hybrid system as a Camry Hybrid, but with a nicer interior, better sound insulation, more features, and often a smoother ride. Lexus ES Hybrid versus Camry Hybrid. The ES Hybrid uses the same 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and hybrid system as the Camry Hybrid. It gets similar fuel economy, but the Lexus adds premium materials, better seats, quieter cabin, and more standard features. Yet, on the used market, you can often find an ES Hybrid with similar mileage or less than a Camry Hybrid with the same mileage. Used ES Hybrid resale value. A used Lexus RX Hybrid uses the same hybrid system as a Highlander Hybrid, but depreciation works in your favor. You get a luxury SUV with a proven powertrain for thousands less than a used Highlander Hybrid. Lexus RX Hybrid versus Highlander Hybrid. The maintenance costs are slightly higher on Lexus because parts and labor can cost more at Lexus dealers, but the core hybrid system is just as reliable. And if you use an independent shop that knows Toyota and Lexus hybrids, the cost difference is minimal. Lexus hybrid maintenance cost. If you want Toyota reliability without the Toyota tax, buy a used Lexus hybrid. Best used Lexus hybrid. Number 2. Ford Fusion Hybrid. Ford Fusion Hybrid reliability. Used Ford Hybrid. Fusion Hybrid versus Camry Hybrid. Ford has been building hybrids for a long time. The Fusion Hybrid uses Ford's own hybrid system, not licensed Toyota technology. And while early Ford hybrids had some issues, the later generations from around 2013 onward are quite reliable. The Fusion Hybrid is a mid-size sedan that competes with the Camry Hybrid. It offers similar fuel economy, a comfortable ride, and a spacious interior. But because it's a Ford, not Toyota, resale values are much lower. Fusion Hybrid fuel economy. The Fusion Hybrid typically gets around 42 to 44 miles per gallon combined, which is close to the Camry Hybrid. The interior is well designed with good materials. The ride is smooth and quiet. Ford offered the Fusion Hybrid in higher trim levels with leather, navigation, and premium sound systems. You can find a used Fusion Hybrid with reasonable mileage for several $1,000s less than a comparable Camry Hybrid. The hybrid system is generally reliable. The transmission is a CVT, and it doesn't have the same bulletproof reputation as Toyota's eCVT, but most examples hold up well with proper maintenance. Fusion Hybrid transmission reliability. One thing to watch with Ford hybrids is the 12-volt battery and hybrid battery cooling system, similar to Toyota's. Regular maintenance is important. Some earlier models had issues with the hybrid transmission, but those were mostly addressed in later years. Ford hybrid common problems. If you want a practical hybrid sedan and you don't need the Toyota badge, the Fusion Hybrid is worth considering. Best used Ford Fusion Hybrid. Number 3. Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid. Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid reliability. Ioniq Hybrid versus Prius. Used Hyundai Hybrid value. Hyundai has improved dramatically over the past decade. Their hybrid systems are well-engineered, efficient, and increasingly reliable. The Ioniq Hybrid is an excellent value on the used market. The Ioniq Hybrid is a compact hatchback designed specifically to be a hybrid from the ground up. It gets excellent fuel economy, often matching or beating the Prius. It has a clean, modern interior and a good list of standard features. Ioniq Hybrid fuel economy. The Ioniq Hybrid gets around 55 to 58 miles per gallon combined, which is better than most Prius models. The interior is more modern than older Prius generations, with better materials and a cleaner design. It drives well, with good handling and a comfortable ride. But because it's a Hyundai, not Toyota, it depreciates faster. You can buy a used Ioniq Hybrid for thousands less than a comparable Prius, even though the cars are similar in size, efficiency, and capability. Ioniq Hybrid resale value. Hyundai hybrids come with strong warranties when bought new. The original warranty is 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain and lifetime on the hybrid battery for the first owner. Used examples don't transfer the full warranty to second owners in most cases, but significant coverage often remains. Hyundai Hybrid warranty.
The main concern with Hyundai hybrids is that long-term reliability data is not as deep as Toyota, but the newer models from around 2017 onward have shown good reliability in real-world use. If you buy a well-maintained example and stay on top of service, these are solid choices. Hyundai Hybrid problems. If you want modern features, excellent fuel economy, and a lower price, the Ioniq Hybrid is a strong contender. Best used Hyundai Ioniq. Number 4. Honda Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid reliability. Accord Hybrid versus Camry Hybrid. Used Accord Hybrid value. Honda has a long history with hybrids, and the Accord Hybrid is one of their best. The newer generation Accord hybrids, particularly from 2018 onward, use a two-motor hybrid system that is simple, efficient, and generally reliable. Honda Accord Hybrid problems. Accord Hybrid fuel economy. The Accord Hybrid offers excellent fuel economy, often in the mid to high 40s in combined driving. It has a spacious, high-quality interior with one of the best cabin designs in the mid-size sedan class. It drives more like a traditional car than a Prius, with better handling and a sportier feel. Accord Hybrid driving experience. The hybrid system in the newer Accord uses two electric motors and a small gasoline engine that works mostly as a generator. The car drives on electric power most of the time, with the engine kicking in mainly for highway cruising or when more power is needed. But because the Accord does not have the same hybrid reputation as the Camry, used prices are lower. You can often find a used Accord Hybrid for less than a Camry Hybrid with similar age and mileage, even though the Accord is arguably the better car in terms of interior quality and driving dynamics. Accord Hybrid interior quality. The main thing to watch with Honda hybrids is the battery cooling system and ensuring software updates have been applied. Honda had some early issues with certain model years, but most have been resolved. Honda hybrid battery problems. Maintenance is straightforward. Oil changes, brake fluid, coolant, and occasional transmission fluid service. The hybrid system itself is durable. Honda Accord Hybrid maintenance cost. If you want a refined, efficient mid-size sedan that drives well and offers good value, the Accord Hybrid is an excellent choice. Best used Accord Hybrid. Number 5. Kia Niro Hybrid. Kia Niro Hybrid Reliability. Kia Niro versus Prius. Used Kia Niro value. The Kia Niro is a compact crossover hybrid that offers practicality, efficiency, and value. It shares much of its hybrid technology with the Hyundai Ioniq, but in a more versatile crossover body style. Kia Niro Hybrid Review. Kia Niro Hybrid Fuel Economy. The Niro gets excellent fuel economy, typically in the high 40s to low 50s combined. It has a roomy interior for its size, good cargo space, and a comfortable ride. It is easy to drive and easy to live with. Kia Niro Interior Space. The Niro is practical in a way the Prius is not. The higher seating position, easier entry and exit, and better cargo access make it a more versatile daily driver for many people, yet it matches the Prius in fuel economy. Kia hybrids also come with strong warranties when new. Like Hyundai, significant powertrain coverage often remains for used buyers. Kia Hybrid Warranty. The Niro competes with the Prius and other compact hybrids, but costs far less on the used market. Depreciation has been steep, which is bad news for the original owner, but great news for used buyers. Kia Niro Depreciation. You can often find a 3 to 5-year-old Niro hybrid for significantly less than a comparable Camry hybrid, even though the Niro offers more practicality and similar efficiency. Reliability has been generally good, especially for models from 2017 onward. There have been some isolated issues with certain model years, but overall the Niro has proven to be a solid, dependable hybrid. Kia Niro Problems. If you want a practical hybrid crossover with good fuel economy and you don't want to pay RAV4 hybrid prices, the Kia Niro is a smart alternative. Best used Kia Niro. Now let's talk about what to watch for when buying any of these used hybrids. Used Hybrid Buying Guide. Always get a pre-purchase inspection from a shop that understands hybrids. Check the hybrid battery health if possible. Most hybrid specialists can run a diagnostic and tell you the condition of the battery modules. Check service records. You want to see regular oil changes, coolant services, brake fluid flushes, and any recalls completed. Cars with complete service history are worth more and tend to have fewer problems. Inspect the hybrid battery cooling system. Make sure the intake vents are not clogged with debris. A restricted cooling system can shorten battery life. Test drive the car long enough to see how the hybrid system operates. Listen for unusual noises. Watch for warning lights. Make sure the engine and electric motor transition smoothly. Check the 12-volt auxiliary battery. If it's original and the car is over 5 years old or 100,000 miles, plan to replace it soon. Run a vehicle history report to check for accidents, title issues, and service history. So what is the bottom line? Best used hybrid cars. Used Toyotas are expensive because they are reliable, but you're paying a premium for the brand. If you're willing to look at other options, you can find used hybrids that are nearly as reliable, sometimes more comfortable, and thousands of dollars cheaper. Lexus hybrids give you Toyota reliability with luxury features. Ford Fusion hybrids offer good value and proven durability. Hyundai Ioniq hybrids deliver excellent efficiency at lower prices. Honda Accord hybrids are refined and efficient. Kia Niro hybrids offer practicality and value. The smart question isn't whether a used Toyota is the best hybrid. The smart question is whether paying the Toyota premium makes sense for your budget, or whether one of these sleeper hybrids offers overall better value. If you want car advice that saves you money without sacrificing reliability, subscribe. Every car has a story, and GearHead Genius is here to decode it.